DevCentral Community, Aubrey here, and I'm joined by Kristen Lund, who is a DevCentral member, and she's going to show me a couple of really cool bash scripts. Now, if you're wondering, wait, bash scripts, right? Well, that's near and dear to my own heart, too. I'm a big bash scripter myself, as some of you may know already, and so these are pretty unique and extraordinarily useful. So how are you doing today, Kristen?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing awesome. It's nice being at AppWorld and getting the kind of change that we're seeing here. So
busy couple days.
Absolutely, yeah. And I know you're presenting soon, right, today?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you took the time out to show us this. You had a one-liner here that I thought was pretty amazing and extraordinarily useful.
Yes, this is the little bash script that I use all the time in my day-to-day job that I've moved into a script because it is a little bit too long and ugly to just grep out when you're on your own. And that's going to be my little iRules containing.sh script that we need to get into DevCentral now that we know more about it.
I'll work on that for sure.
And all it is, it's going to look at the iRules deployed on your big IP system. It's going to grep out whatever string you want to search for in that system, and then find what iRules you have there that actually have that string in it. So when you're troubleshooting, when you see some weird log line, this is going to be a really nice way to quickly dive into the iRule that is probably causing the problem.
Now the other one was a little bit longer that you had, and that is also iRules related, so it's not just bash, but like bash for iRules.
Yeah, we do a lot of custom iRules, and in order to manage that, we've gotten a little bit clever with how we use bash to kind of protect ourselves from ourselves as we develop those iRules. So we've got a little bit longer one here called edit iRule and I wrote this up for an example for the external community. In reality, it's on a remote server so that you can run it as part of a pipeline, all of that good stuff.
Okay.
But at the end of the day, it's bash. It's straightforward, it's fast, it's smart. So it's going to take two arguments. It's going to look for the iRule that you're updating, as well as the file that has the new iRule that you want your new code to be. First thing we're going to do is make sure we have everything we need to safely roll out and roll back that iRule. That's going to mean doing two different merge validate commands. So we're going to do a merge verify for the rule that you want to roll out, as well as a merge verify for the rule that you want to roll back to if you have to. Once we do that, we're going to go to a quick little analysis stage where we once again grep out what we have in Big IP to see what VIPs you have that have that iRule associated with it, so you know the scope of the impact for the change you're about to make. And if all of that looks good to you, matches your expectations, it's going to go ahead and run that merge. From there, you're going to pause for 1 minute. And we're going every second of that minute. This script is going to be monitoring the tickle errors in your varlog LTM file. And if it sees an increase in tickles, it's going to automatically roll back that iRule the second it sees one, which is a lot faster than I can back out an iRule.
Absolutely. And I guess the moral of the story is sometimes too many tickles is really bad. Thanks for showing this to me. I appreciate the time today, Kristen.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you, DevCentral Community. We'll see you out there.